Ready? You got this? Wow, I'm a hot mess. Ow! My fucking keys. Okay, ready? What's up, guys? My name's Raquel. Welcome to my channel. Ow, my fucking keys are so hot. Are you ready? Oh, I'm like super scared about this. I'm super scared. Ready? Exhaust setup, but I didn't realize that I wasn't straight piped already, and that might sound kind of stupid, I know, but like my pipe, like my muffler is just it's a pipe, like straight. I didn't realize it like indented and there was muffler in it. So my friend actually commented on it saying that I have a muffler and it's like a rounded muffler. So we took that off today. It was a pain in the ass. None of the pipes didn't want to come off. The bolts were getting stuck. So thanks to my lovely boyfriend for always helping me. He helped me with that and honestly did most of the work because I really couldn't do anything. Like I did not have enough manpower to take it off. Muscles. But I don't know. It sounds so good right now. Like it's so, I don't know, like more, it's a lot more rough. You can tell already. There's cops right there, and I want to let my car warm up before I beat on it anyways, but the cam is so loud now. Oh, it sounds so good. So good. Oh my god, I can't. Try to get that to work. Something not right. Something's vibrating. Try to get my GoPro to work and do some clips of the exhaust in the back. If I do, here's that. Comment, subscribe, anything like that. If you want to see anything special, just comment, DM me, follow me at LS3bitch on Instagram, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.